Welcome back. Quick video on what's going on with Terra Luna Classic. It's been having a mini pump. It's been going through a bit of a bumpy upticks. Right here, Terra Luna Classic is 97th right now, and it's been going through a bit of a bump here, 4.9% in 7 days. At one point, I think it was 9.08%. It's presently sitting at 0.000006. If you take a look at the 7-day chart here, you see a nice little green display here at the bottom. This is what I find funny. There's a bit of a heartbeat up until the end of 2022 or so, and then it's just flat line. But nonetheless, you might be wondering why that's happening. What's happening with Terra Luna Classic? As the heading suggests, there is a proposal. A proposal has been passed to stop minting and reminting of USDC. So up until now, the USDC stablecoin was linked to Luna Classic. So every time there was, or Luna in the past, every time Luna was minted, there was a diminishing amount of USDC, and every time there was less or Luna Classic or Luna was sold, and there was an increase in USDC or something like that, and that caused basically the downfall of Luna Classic and the mayhem that occurred. But right now, the reposting, so this proposal was reposted just to make sure the community was able to vote on it, and they did. The proposal would stop all minting and reminting of USDC without the approval of the Terra Classic community, not the group, but I mean as a general figure of speech, referring to everybody who's in Luna Classic, I guess. This proposal also stops loopholes such as converting XUSDC to mint USDC. We pay the AlgoQuant team to repeg USDC to USD, and the Terra Classic community is participating in the burning of the USD supply, which happens every time you purchase, every time you trade. A trade is conducted on the Terra Luna Classics blockchain. There is a proportion of the tokens that is being burned, that gets burned every time, which also facilitates the repeg. This proposal protects the community and outside investors who are burning USDC, helping to achieve the repeg. Any form of minting or reminting goes completely against any community efforts. Clearly, we're burning it, and then at the same time, shit's being minted. How much sense does that make? None. Most importantly, this proposal opens the door for institutions like Binance to start burning USDC, knowing that the minting and reminting is over. By voting yes, we'll stop all minting and reminting of USDC and support community efforts to repeg USDC to the USD. By voting no, we'll allow minting and reminting of USDC to continue without Terra Luna Classic community approval. It's been passed, so you can expect to stop seeing the minting and reminting of the USDC, which is why we saw a slight movement upwards on the Terra Luna Classic coin. Not a lot. I mean, the coin's been dumping ever since it started dumping. Basically, TradingView doesn't even go beyond this point of cataclysm that occurred. It just lists, this is even way past that. This is when price was at 0.0006. So this is, months and months, not months, days after the collapse. In any case, right now, Terra Luna Classic has experienced a bit of a pump, which is nice. We'll see how long it lasts. It could last a bit longer because there is a bit more going on the chain. There's another proposal that has passed, and that is asking Binance to start burning USDC. So this was a proposal that was passed This proposal signals Binance to start burning USDC. Currently, Binance burns 50% of Luna Classic monthly, and we are asking Binance to also start burning USDC monthly with the remaining 50%. By having the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world to help burn the circulating supply, will directly contribute to the success of the repeg of USDC to the USD. The Binance burning USDC will not only speed up the repeg but also raise the value of Luna Classic. This joint effort can also attract other large cryptocurrency exchanges to start burning USDC as well. If proposal to stop USDC minting and reminting passes, and will no longer be allowed without approval from the community, and this opens the door for these large institutions to burn USDC, which will be a big benefit to investors that hold either USDC or Luna Classics. So this is a proposal to ask Binance to start burning. Now, whether Binance will comply or has complied with this proposal is unclear. I'm not sure that this is done automatically. I'm pretty sure that this is in the hands of CZ and his team to decide whether Binance will actually begin burning. The proposals that are passed, they occur on chain. What Binance is, it's an centralized wallet on the Binance exchange, and it is not affected by what happens, immediately affected by what happens on the Luna Classics blockchain. So I guess this is up to the discretion of the Binance team to decide whether they will comply or whether they will agree to do this or not. So, but the proposal is to ask Binance to start burning USDC, which is good. Let's have a look on, what is it, Luna Classics Penguin. Penguins or one penguin or many penguins? Link Dash has been unsent. Well, Luna Penguins have disappeared, which is too bad. That was a very nifty website. I did find a couple of other ones. So there is one here, Luna Classic LUNC metrics. And the first numbers that I see are total Luna Classics burned 74.92 billion. Last 7 days, 51 billion burned. 51 million burned. And Luna Classics circulating supply is 5.8 trillion. That is a massive drop from the previous 6-point-something trillion that was there. So it's a significant reduction, which is nice to see. Total Luna Classic burn, and the burn rate seems to be increasing, which is also nice to see. So let's hope that continues for the foreseeable future. Market cap 351 million Luna Classic, and 24-hour trading volume is $15 million, and Luna Classic is being traded every 24 hours, or has been in the past 24 hours. So that's good. Here's an indication of Binance burns. Total 50% of volume burned by Binance. Luna Classics token 2.6%. Delunk, Luna Classics DAO, cremation coin, all nodes. So there's a bunch of places that are burning Luna Classics. I don't know why I keep saying Luna Classics. Luna Classic. Binance burned a total of 37 billion coins. So it's certainly the biggest. Here's another Terrarity is another website that indicates the burning mechanism. It's got some interesting features here. Today, in 1 year, we'll have, 134 billion Terra Classics burned, classic coins burned. We're looking at a 5-year period of having burned 395 billion Terra Classic coins, which just shows you the progression that this will take. So don't expect Terra Luna Classic to be at $1 next year. It's not going to happen. 395 billion is not a massive amount. It's a fraction of the 5.82 trillion Luna Classic tokens that are still out there. There's a burning processor here. You can, I guess, burn your own stash if you connect the wallet here, and then decide on how much you want to burn. But so let's hope this continues and burn the heck out of it. Hopefully by the time my kids are old and gray, Luna Classic will be back up to some manageable price. That's it for this quick update on Luna Classic, on what's happening and why there is a little pump. Make sure to smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for other videos upcoming pretty soon. Bye bye.